Shakas, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a little share. I am getting ready to package up a swap that I'm in. It's being hosted by Susan Tootsie Tucker here on YouTube, and I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. The swap is meet me with some die cuts, I believe. That's the hashtag we have to use anyway. Meet me with some die cuts. And so, the theme, because I think they do it every month, and this is the first month that I'm joining them. But May's theme, I think, is May, summer, vacation, travel, summer treats, sports, summer fun, summer flowers, things of that nature. And basically, it is die cuts, so anything you want to craft with. And so I'm going to share what I'm sending to my swap partner. And I want to thank Susan for hosting this swap. Thank you, Susan. Not sure if she watches my videos, but in case. So, this is what I'm including in my swap. I packaged up some die cuts, or ephemera actually. Summer theme ephemera. And then I just made this topper. I cut some die cuts, and I've actually attached, these are the die cuts that are inside, and then there is a, this is the die that I used. And so there is a hammock cut out as well in here. But she can use these too, and I just attached them with, I just double-sided some washi tape and stuck them so that she can reuse them. I forget who, I just saw it this week. Someone used washi tape to adhere things so that you could reuse them. And I also showed this on the video. I'll link it up here in for the original video. But these are some stickers I'm including, and it's a travel themed stickers. Sorry for the glare. And I just added this topper up here. I'm also including, I did have a video of this as well, and I will put it there. So I'm including this, and then one last thing is I did make her a tag flip and included some stuff in the tag flip. But this is the first one, and I just attached this bobby pin, but it could be a page topper or page flag. I'm not sure, but it's a bobby pin. And then that's the next. And then I added some jemmies in an envelope and adhered it with some washi tape to the back of this tag. Then I added some washi tape, and this is all Maggie Holmes. As my partner, she likes some Maggie Holmes. And then I gave her some fun summer washi, and I just cut out a tag die on acetate. That's what I used. Here's some more washi that I am gifting. And then I did add some charms and things to this organza bag that I'm attaching. And then the last tag, I added an envelope and have some fun Maggie Holmes stickers included as well for her to use. And I just adhered it with Velcro. And then I just added all this trim, because who doesn't like to craft with trim? So this is what I'm sending off to my swap partner. I hope she likes it. My swap partner is Monti. She is Monti the Polka Dot Pinecone here on YouTube. And I will stick her link to her YouTube channel in the description box below, so you can go show her some crafty love. This is my share. Hope you guys are having a great week. And until the next video, shakas. Today was magic.